Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. It is Friday, so it's hashtag Friday Sews, but it's also day 17 of Vlogmas. Yay, we're almost there. Oh, and it's also my brother's birthday, so I'll have to call him. Anyway, so I'm gonna mix my favorite makes countdown with Friday Sews. I have not been getting a lot of sewing done, so there's not a lot of makes to share, but I'll ramble a little bit. So I didn't sew anything this week, but I have cut out my Fen shirt. So I'll pop a picture of the pattern up here. It's just this really relaxed, almost rounded button-up shirt, and it's got a couple of different collar options and 2 different cuff options. And I have this really pretty rayon that I bought from Zinks. I'll link the fabric haul up here from last year. And I think that that is gonna be the perfect print for that shirt. Actually, so many pretty prints would work in that shirt. I can't wait to make it. I think it's gonna be awesome. I will make it this weekend. That's all I have kind of going on right now. I am gonna be dyeing some things this weekend, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. I don't have, I got 2 of the fabrics that I ordered from Black Friday. They were from Style Maker. I'm waiting on a couple of other pieces of fabric to come so I can do a haul. But of course, the crappy management at this condo association won't, I don't even know how to explain this. So I live in a condo. We have a locker system for deliveries down in the lobby. And the delivery people get it screwed up all the time. They're supposed to scan the package and scan which locker number it goes in. There's like 50 something lockers. There's a bunch of really small ones, and then there's 4 like tall ones where they just throw everybody's packages in. And every so often they say that it's, let's say, in locker 52, and your code will only open locker 52, but your package is actually in locker 54. So you have to go through this whole rigmarole of getting, like, validating that you didn't pick up the package, validating that, you know, somebody else didn't pick up the package, and what locker did it go in. Well, this particular, and usually the locker company can figure all that out and give you a new code, and it's usually resolved within 24 hours. My order from fabric.com was not in the locker that it was supposed to be in. Contacted the locker company. They did their video review. They could not determine what locker it went in. So they needed the management of the property to go through all the lockers and find the package, and they won't do it. I hate this place so much. Can't wait to get out. So I got to figure out how to resolve that. And that fabric, I bought 2 pieces, and the fabrics were for challenges. One of them was for the Little Red Dress Project, and one of them was for the Ugly Sweater Challenge hosted by Madi from Madi Sews. So I don't think I'm going to be participating in those unless I go out to Joann's this weekend and buy some new fabric, which is a possibility. And then I ordered some corduroy from Etsy, but it is coming from China, so it's on the way. I just can't track it, so I have no idea where. I'm having fun with Vlogmas. I hope that you are enjoying the little snippet into my favorite makes. Which brings me to today's favorite make. This is the Almada, This is the Almada Robe from Seamwork. I'll pop in the line drawings and the pattern photo, and then I will give you a little twirl. I wore this with my jammies that I'm wearing today and my fluffy little unicorn slippers that I wear every day because my feet get cold, while I'm sitting at my desk working all day. I'm wearing unicorn slippers. Yeah, so I'll link the review to this pattern up here. I really enjoyed making this. I made this back when I first started sewing, and I love the fabric, first of all. I can't remember where I got this. I don't know if it was from Joann's or fabric.com. Back then, those were the two places where I got most of my fabric, so it's definitely from one of those. Maybe Mood. I doubt it. It was either fabric.com or Joann's. But how fun is that? And I used bias tape that I just had in my stash. So I did French seams. I don't know if you can see that. But I was pretty impressed with myself for attempting French seams for the first time that early on in my journey. They're not perfect by any means. I mean, I definitely can see some of the inner seam popping out a little bit on some of the seams, but when I'm wearing it, you can't tell. And yeah, so I love this robe. I actually only styled it one way for you today, to wear it as a robe with your PJs. But I do think that this could be, at least in the fabric that I made it in, goodness, I'm a mess. At least in the fabric that I made it in, I think this could be a cute kimono to wear like over a t-shirt and jeans, and wear to like work or out on the town or whatever. I think it's versatile. I think you could wear it just like you wear any other like duster or kimono style jacket. But I made it intended as a robe, but I could easily wear this with jeans. I think it would look pretty. What else is going on? So I had my work trip last week and it went really well. I got to meet some people in person. I already knew my boss because we worked together for 17 years at a previous company. We were co-workers, and then I think the last year or so together, she became my boss. So we're like really good friends. She helped get me in the new company. But I was meeting other people for the first time that I'd been chatting with in Teams meetings and stuff. So that was really cool. It snowed while we were there. I haven't been cold in a year and a half, so I'm glad I had my coat with me. I had brought a coat down to Florida because we moved in December and I needed it for the trip. So that was in my closet, so I was able to bring that with me. But the trip was good. I love my job so much. I wish that for everybody. Yeah, I had, my favorite thing this week, I had dinner Tuesday night with Heather from Textile Tailored Thoughts. I'll pop in a picture here. We were getting caught up. We hadn't seen each other in a really long time. And since I'm moving, we probably won't see each other again for a really long time. I mean, I'm only moving 2 hours away, so it's not like, you know, it's out of the realm of possibility that we'll get together again. But it was nice to see her before I leave town and get caught up. If you're not already watching her, you should go check her out. She doesn't put out a lot of videos because she's a bit of a workaholic, but if you watch her videos, it's just, her voice is just very soothing. Plus, she's very knowledgeable. So I encourage you to go check her out. That's really all I got this week. I will be back tomorrow with another Vlogmas video, and I hope that wherever you are, the weather's amazing. I hope that you're able to get some sewing in, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.